Hello everyone. Question is, which of the following is described by the TOGAF architecture content framework as a type of artifact that shows list of things? Option A, building block. Option B, catalog. Option C, diagram. Option D, matrix. Option E, deliverable. Correct answer is option B. Question is TOGAF uses a version numbering convention to illustrate the evaluation of the baseline and target architecture definitions. Which version numbers in this convention indicates a formally reviewed detailed architecture? Option A version 0.1, Option B version 0.5, Option C version 0.9, Option D version 1.0. Option E version 1.5. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following best describes the need for the ADM process to be governed? Option A, to enable development of reference architectures. Option B, to enable a fast response to market changes. Option C, to build a top-down all-inclusive architecture description. Option D, to permit the architecture domains to be integrated. Option E, to verify that the method is being applied correctly. Correct answer is option E. Question is, which of the following does TOGAF recommend for use in developing the architecture vision? Option A, architecture principles. Option B, business scenarios. Option C, business transformation readiness assessment. Option D, capability based planning. Option E, gap analysis. Correct answer is option B. Question is, according to TOGAF, which of the following terms is defined as the key interests that are crucially important to stakeholders? Option A, concerns. Option B, principles. Option C, requirements. Option D, views. Option E, viewpoints. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which of the following best describes the class of information known as the reference library within the architecture repository? Option A, a description of the organization-specific architecture framework and method. Option B, a record of the governance activity across the enterprise. Option C, guidelines and templates used to create new architectures. Option D, processes to support governance of the architecture repository. Option E, specification to which architectures must conform. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, complete the sentence. According to TOGAF, a blank space is a representation of a system from the perspective of a related set of blank space. Option A, view and concerns. Option B, viewpoint and views. Option C, view and requirements. Option D, view and stakeholders. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which of the following best describes the purpose of the gap analysis technique? Option A, to determine service levels for the architecture. Option B, to establish quality metrics for the architecture. Option C, to identify commercial building blocks to be purchased. Option D, to identify missing functions. Option E, to validate non-functional requirements. Correct answer is option D. Question is, complete the sentence by selecting the application pair of words. An blank space is used in phase 1 to help identify and understand business blank space that the architecture has to address. Option A, activity model and perspective. Option B, business scenario and requirements. Option C, use case and interconnections. Option D, architecture view and concerns. Option E, business transformation readiness assessment and constraints. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following does the TOGAF standard describe as an architecture pattern? Option A, an implementation specific solution building block. Option B, a work product describing an aspect of an architecture. Option C, a detailed description of the interfaces between building blocks. Option D, a package of functionality defined to meet the business needs of the organization. Option E, a way to identify combinations of building blocks that have been proven to deliver solutions. Correct answer is option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.